Good afternoon everyone, it's Glenn from Modular. This afternoon doing a quick video to answer a very common question. What happens if blue roll or wet wipes end up in a cabin pump? Let's find out. For this exercise we're using the standard cabin pump 1.5. This unit has a maximum pumping distance of 600 metres and a maximum pumping height of 12 metres. But for this experiment we're just going to be pumping into an IBC. So first, let's try standard blue roll. And now, let's try some of Ultra Grime's wet cloths.